Hey guys, it's Cam and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, then welcome, and I would really love it if you would join the Cam fam, my little beauty community here on YouTube, by hitting that little subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the bell too so that you don't miss any future videos. So I'm really excited today because I'm doing an unboxing of the Look Fantastic limited edition hair box for June. So I'm so grateful that they sent this over so that way I can unbox it for you guys, because this box is chock full of goodies. And this is not sponsored, and I do have a discount code for you guys. It's not an affiliate link, but I'm actually very excited about all these products. Whenever I'm doing something where I partner with a brand, I always make sure that it's something that I would get with my own money and actually use. And what's great about this box is that it actually has some of my favorite products in it already. So that's amazing. So I'm gonna keep the intro short and sweet this time because I can't wait to unbox this. I literally have not opened it yet. And if you guys are interested in trying out any of these products, then I highly recommend this box because it's such a good value. It's normally $35, but you can get it for only $25. And I have a special code for you guys. It's CAM10 for $10 off. It's not an affiliate code. It's just to make this box, which is already an amazing value, an even better value. So I'm gonna put the link down below in the description bar if you guys wanna check it out. And I'm so excited, I cannot wait to unbox this. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so I got a little pamphlet with all the information about the products, and let's open this baby up together. I'm super excited. There's some like full sizes, some deluxe sizes, and some mini sizes of products, but you have a really good assortment of products here. So I'm really, really stoked about this. All right, so let me, I guess, go in order. So the very first thing we have here is this Scene Blowout Cream. And this is actually really cool because it says that it won't clog pores and it's skin caring. And you might think like, well, what does that mean? And I actually have an issue because I have long hair that like if I have certain products in my hair, especially something very oily, like I'll actually get like back knee and like shoulder acne and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to try this out. It's a blowout cream that protects from heat, pollution, as well as UV damage. It offers shine and it won't clog pores. It's apparently dermatologist tested. So I've never seen that in anything like hair care related. So I'm very excited to test this out because usually when I feel like hair care products are affecting my skin, they're also weighing my hair down. So I'm really excited to see how this performs. And so this is quite big. It's 5 ounces and it retails for $24. So I'm also gonna add up all the products at the end to tell you like the final value of the box. Alrighty, so moving along, next we have the Imbue Curl Energizing Hydration Serum. So this is a lightweight hydrating serum, and it's really supposed to like protect your curl definition and not like weigh down curls, but keep them hydrated, give them shine, still leave them feeling really bouncy. And I guess my natural hair, I would call it like between straight and wavy, but as you can see, I like to curl it a lot. So I'm definitely excited to try this out when I do curl my hair, because if I go in with something that I feel like adds a lot of shine and hydration, they usually end up getting weighed down and just kind of like sag. So I'm sure this will fix that. And this product is 3.38 fluid ounces and it retails for $13. So this next product is a mini size, but I've talked so much about it on my channel. If you've seen my other videos, then you guys know that I love me some Olaplex, and this is a mini size of the Olaplex number 3. So this is a real mini size. You probably would only get like 1 or 2 treatments out of this. It's 20 milliliters. It says it retails for $8.50, but if you've never tried Olaplex number 3 and you like don't want to jump fully in and get the full size, then definitely check this out because everyone could use Olaplex number 3 and love it. I absolutely love it, and this is a really nice way of getting to try it as well as a bunch of other products. So what Olaplex number 3 is a bond restructurer. It's really gonna help repair your hair from both heat damage and chemical damage. It does like relink the bonds of your hair. It's not a protein treatment, but it's really gonna make your hair feel like almost virgin hair again. It's so amazing. So this next product is another one that I've used before and I've actually really loved. And this is the Kristoff Robin Salt Scrub. So personally, I struggle with scalp psoriasis and usually have like a lot of embarrassing dandruff issues and stuff like that. So apart from my regular shampoo, I like to use scalp scrubs sometimes, definitely like around the front of my hairline and also like over here behind my ears. I'll just get like scaly skin, and these really help with like exfoliating your scalp, just definitely making sure all those dead skin cells are like removed. And they're kind of like, you don't know what to expect when you use them for the first time, but they do like lather actually, and the little like salt beads end up like dissolving, so you don't like have anything gritty left in your hair. But the way that they work just really like gives you that instant relief, and like it's better than scratching your scalp yourself, you know what I mean? And this one's really nice because it's super high end, so like it doesn't leave your hair feeling like stripped or dried out. And this one's also a deluxe size, and it's 40 milliliters, which retails for $8.48. So I'm very excited to try this next product because it's from a brand that I love, but I haven't tried this particular product before, so I'm very curious about it. And this is the Alternate Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Conditioner. So I've used their shampoos before and a couple of their masks, and I really, really like them. I haven't used anything from their bond repair range before. So this is a reparative conditioner that has their Caviar bond enforcing technology, which seals and protects hair that has been damaged through chemical processes or physical stress. And you guys know I'm all about that repair. I'm always trying to get my like super bleached hair to look like virgin hair again, which is really hard, but I'm really excited to try this. And this is a mini size. It's 1.35 fluid ounces, and the MSRP is $12. Okay, moving on. I think I've heard of this next brand before. It's from Philip B, and this is their Peppermint Avocado Shampoo, and this is a 2-ounce size retailing for $15. So it says that this is formulated with 2.3% peppermint oil, and I love peppermint oil in my shampoos. Again, as somebody with like scalp problems, it's just so like soothing and minty and tingling and amazing to put peppermint oil in your scalp. So I'm very, very excited about this. And this is a clarifying shampoo that's gonna get rid of the residue without stripping. And of course, it's gonna give you that amazing like tingly cooling sensation. And seriously, if you've never tried a peppermint shampoo, you need to, because it's just like, it just makes you feel so, so clean and refreshed and amazing. So I definitely can't wait to try the shampoo out. So I've actually never used this product before, but it looks like the perfect size to travel with. And that's the Tangle Teezer. This is the mini one. It's in the super cute bubblegum pink color. And I literally like cannot wait to start traveling again. And I have so many trips that I want to go on, but I have like a lot of really big bulky hairbrushes. And so I'm really excited because this is super tiny and cute and just perfect to pack with you on a trip. And so the Tangle Teezer has like really flexible bristles, so you can brush through wet hair, and it's really gonna minimize any breakage that occurs because wet hair is like super fragile. And you can use this on dry hair as well. And I can't wait to throw this like in my travel bag and not have any like big bulky hairbrushes, and just be able to use this cute little thing and like take it with me everywhere. Heck, I might even like end up keeping this in my purse. And so obviously, like, you know, this is a compact size, but it's still a full-size product, and it retails for $10. So moving on, this is the 8th and final product in the box. And so this is actually a supplement to stop thinning hair and hair loss. So I haven't really like taken much in terms of like hair growth supplements besides for just biotin to like help regrow my hair. Because most of the supplements on the market are really like just overpriced biotin. So I was looking into what the ingredients of this are because I was really intrigued by it. And it's got so many amazing things, some of which I just take already for the health benefits of them. And this one's just really comprehensive in terms of like all of the herbs, antioxidants, everything that it has in it. So just to mention a few, and like some of these I already use, it's got ashwagandha, it's got resveratrol, it's got saw palmetto, astaxanthin. It's also got like hyaluronic acid and collagen, which are also like building blocks of hair. A bunch of amino acids, ginseng, vitamin C, rhodiola rosea, vitamin D, all of these things that are like essential for growing really healthy, thick hair. And really, I'm like so intrigued by this that I think I'm gonna go out and buy the full size because it's already a lot of like supplements that I take, and I have like a whole pantries full of supplements that I take. So to get all of that in one pill is gonna be pretty incredible. So I'm very tempted to go and get the full size. But this is a mini size of 4 capsules, which retails for $6. So I'm gonna add everything up. We've got 24 plus 13 plus 850 plus 848, 12, 15, 10, 6, and the box has a value of $96.98. So that's almost $100 value for $25 with my discount code, which again is CAM10, and the link is in the description box if you guys want to pick it up. Again, it's not an affiliate code, just awesome savings on a lot of really amazing brands like Tangle Teezer, Olaplex, Alternate Caviar. I'm stoked. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to hit that like button down below. It really helps my channel out a lot. And let me guys know what you think about this box in the comments down below. So hey, you're probably sitting there wondering now, what should I watch next? So here's 2 more videos by me that you should check out. And if you haven't already, if you click on my face right here, it'll subscribe you to my channel. So you should definitely do that. All right, my loves, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.